Father-son time.
Valentine's Day special.
Hello, and welcome to a special episode of Father-Son Time. I'm David, and this is Logan. Today, we are going to be working on making the perfect Valentine's Day card. Logan's going to teach me his method. Valentine's Day is coming up, and you might not be able to...
On the 14th.
On the 14th. And you might not be able to go out to a store for safety reasons, so we decided that we'll teach you how to make your own homemade card.
First, you'll need scissors. You'll need glue. You'll need markers or crayons. We're using crayons. And you'll need construction paper.
Can you use regular paper too?
Yeah. But if you use the other kind of paper, you should probably color it because Valentine's Day has colors.
That's true. What if you don't have glue? Can you use something else?
You can use tape. What colors do you want on your construction paper?
Pink is a nice Valentine's Day color. I think I'm going to do pink.
Yeah, you'll need two.
And blue.
Okay. I will choose yellow and green. What?
That's good. That's good. You don't have to do just Valentine's Day is more than just pink.
And red. On your first piece of paper, you are going to fold it in half.
While you're doing that, Logie, who are we making these cards for?
I'm making one for him, and he's making one for me.
We're going to make one for each other. Okay, so I folded mine in half. What's next?
You need a crayon, probably the same color. It needs to be like really light.
Draw half a heart, okay?
Wait, a big one.
A big one? Okay. Now what?
Scissors? I do.
So we cut out the heart?
Yep.
Is that a good heart?
Perfect. Leave it purple.
Okay. Sure.
Now I'm gonna cut this out. Thanks to my mom, when she said Valentine's Day's coming up, I got right to the work.
How many Valentine's Day cards did you cut out?
So I made one for my mom, this guy, and for both of my grandparents, and I'm about to make one for Lucy.
So you've cut out your heart shape.
Now glue.
So I glue around the paper.
Yeah. Yes, and that's sticky.
So I put it on like this.
Yes, but make sure it's lined up.
I think it's pretty good.
And this. I'm gonna get a crayon. Write your message.
Okay, so where do I write my message?
Inside the heart. And then you hand it to me.
Well, I'm gonna put your name on it. Logan. You want to open yours first, or do you want me to open mine first?
Let's open it at the same time.
Same time, 1,
2,
3.
4. Be
I love you,
my
Dad.
Valentine.
You are the best. XOXO. Oh, yours is nicer than mine. Mine's cliche. Yours is very sweet.
Be my Valentine.
Can you do any extra decorating around here?
Yeah, you actually are. I was just about to say you should decorate this.
You decorate all over. Why don't we decorate?
That's
A
what you
little
do
bit
with your crayons. What is that?
It's Cupid. I can't draw.
It's what?
It's Cupid.
The reindeer?
No, the baby who gives Valentines.
I don't know that.
He shoots people with bow and arrow.
He does?
Yeah, he's a baby. You shouldn't give a baby a bow or an arrow.
I can't believe he drew Cupid! The bad boy! He shoots everyone with bow and arrows. Didn't even do XOX.
Oh my goodness, you're right. I should do XOXO. So here's a little addition that I came up with. You can glue the heart that you cut out, and then you can put it on the other side of the card and have a heart on this side, so that when you open it up, there's a heart. Happy Valentine's Day, baby.
Happy. Wait, what?
I know, it's not that good. Open it up.
Be my Valentine.
I love you, Dad.
What does that even
You're
mean?
the best. See my Valentines? Be my Valentine. Like, be my
So mine's
my
not your
special. I can have more than one Valentine.
The
They
part
are-
I'm always gonna look at this is
the stick figure Cupid. I don't know how to draw, baby. Show off what we did.
Wait, we did? Then we should trade.
Well,
We
okay.
did.
This is
That's Dad and that's mine. And at the back, I did wow.
All right, I think that's pretty good. How to make a Valentine's Day card. Thank you all for watching. We hope you have a very happy and safe Valentine's.
I always like to do that.
Yeah, there you go.
Confetti.
All right, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.